unseasonably warm weather here in Virginia. It's January 19th. I just come back from Connecticut, where I spent the last 2 weeks learning leadership, but really I've been through all the training before. I actually used to teach it. Checking the block, right? Got myself a Shelter Logic to put Salty under. I wanted a smaller one, but they didn't have it in stock. Plus, the wide opening wasn't big enough. So I did that, and then I went down to China Freight. Bought myself some toys. Glass cabinet for the counter, and then parts washer. So I'm going to assemble all this, throw these in there, maybe put that up today. Hopefully get some work done. Time for lunch. Can't remember if I showed this or not, so got the Jeep inside. Little shed box. Barely fits. I'm glad I bought the 10x10 and gonna move forward with this. So I've got a lead on a new body. So anyway, for the Jeep, body up in Massachusetts. It's an M38 Jeep. It's not in perfect condition. It does need some floors, but it'll be in better condition than this one. This one is completely rotten out on the bottom. So I was doing some pricing, and it would cost me roughly $2,300 just in patch panels, which is possible and I can do. It would be a lot of welding, which you guys love, but I don't really want to spend a ton of time doing it. And purchasing a aftermarket body is probably not going to happen either. I'm searching the forums and everyone says that they're terrible, so I don't think I'm gonna. Anyway, I'm going to look into purchasing that aftermarket, or I'm sorry, the body up in Massachusetts, and then replacing it. So I've got brakes and I've got a suspension kit for this already. Starting to collect parts, but I'm going to wait until after my next deployment before I start making any high purchases. So we'll see. Alright, I'll bring you back on the Jeep at another date. We're almost buttoned up on that truck. Feels great. It's been 5 full years since I started working on the F100. We'll get there. Got a mess going. Let's see, I just put in the flamethrower Pertronix. Got the new, put it all together, so wired it up. And I'm gonna go ahead and try starting, because I want to see if this thing will run. But let me set you up and then hit record and see what we do. Start right up. Alright, I was filming with my cell phone instead of with the GoPro because it needed to be charged. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. I have not done any timing. I can't see my timing marks on the harmonic balancer, but it sounds really, really good. I do have some burning off of the exhaust. I do need to check about the mixer valve here between the exhaust and the intake to make sure that that is set right, because the little spring is missing. Other than that, I'm going to start it up here real quick and let you hear it, and then that will be the end of this video. I do need to get everything buttoned up, hood back on, which is going to take a couple people to help me. I'm not going to be able to do it myself, and probably not even today. And hit the go pedal, right? So that's the plan for the next video. But start it up. Oop, lost the key. think it sounds really good. I don't see anything leaking other than by the rear main seal, but that's the rope seal. So I was talking with a friend about it, and see what else. I need to free up my gas pedal that attaches here to this spring. When you push on the gas pedal, it stays down. So I think that needs to be lubed up. It's got all got to come out. Alright, that's it. Y'all have a great one.